President Xi and I talked a lot about Taiwan. He thinks they cannot have anything to do with what they're doing. We talked about Taiwan, we talked about Iran a lot, and I think we have a very good understanding with both.
Nagkasundo sa maraming bagay sina United States President Donald Trump at Chinese President Xi Jinping ayon sa pahayag ng US leader. Sa panayam kay Trump sa loob ng Air Force One bago bumalik ng Amerika, sinabi nitong nanindigan ang Chinese President sa anumang internal na proseso ng kanilang pakikipagtrato sa bansang Taiwan. Aniya, hindi na siya nagkomento sa bagay na ito bilang pagrespeto sa Chinese leader.
On Taiwan, he does not want to see a fight for independence because that would be a very strong confrontation. And I heard him out. Are you going to change your word? No, I didn't make a comment on it. I heard him out. I have a lot of respect for him.
Tiniyak ni President Trump na hindi din naman nais ni President Xi na umabot sa gyera ang usapin patungkol sa bansang Taiwan. Kaya naman, kaugnay ng planong arms deal, sinabi ni Trump na makikipag-ugnayan pa siya kay Taiwan President William Lai ukol dito.
No, I don't think so. I think we'll be fine. He doesn't want to see a war. He feels very strongly. I made no commitment either way.
Your proposal?
I'm going to make a determination. I'm going to see. I have to speak to the person that right now is, you know who he is, that's running Taiwan.
Malinaw naman ang kanilang pagkakaisa ng opinyon pagdating sa bansang Iran, na huwag itong payagang magkaroon ng armas nuklear at iginiit dito ang ganap na pagbubukas ng Strait of Hormuz.
On Iran, it's very interesting. He feels strongly they can't have a nuclear weapon. He said that very strongly. They cannot have a nuclear weapon, and he wants them to open up the strait.
Kaugnay ng usaping pangkalakalan, sinabi ni Trump na bibili ang China ng nasa 200 eroplano ng Boeing at nasa 400 units ng makina, at kung magiging maganda ang resulta ay itataas ng China ang deal sa 750 units ng eroplano. Nauna na ring iniulat ng White House na bubuksan ng China ang market access nito sa US at tatanggap ng mas maraming US investors. Pinakapositibo naman ayon kay Trump ang patungkol sa sektor ng agrikultura, na aniya ay magandang balita para sa mga US farmer dahil bibili ang China ng bilyong-bilyong halaga ng soybeans.
President Xi and I agree on many things, and we agree very much on trade. We're going to be doing a lot of trading. Our farmers are going to be taking in. Our farmers are going to be very happy with the deal with me.
Sa September 24, 2026, nakatakda namang dumalaw si President Xi sa Amerika sa imbitasyon na rin ni President Trump. Sa ngayon, nakabalik na ang US leader sa White House matapos ang matagumpay na pagbisita sa China. Noel Poliarco, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.